I'm back here. Wasn't gonna put a video out today, but we're starting to get down there, getting fairly close to where we need to be to finish this correction up. So thought I'd put a video out today. We take a look here. Let's take a real quick glance at Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance isn't doing a whole lot, but Bitcoin is holding that low. Okay, yeah, right up here. Let's put that line up there. Oh, there we go. Got our drawings up here. Let's get this off here though. See this big green weekly candle here, and this weekly RSI is almost reset. It is turning back up, so that is good to see. We needed to hold this low right there, okay, and we have just barely, but so we do have a higher low. All right, if you go through this thing, the only thing that worries me is this resistance that it's coming up against. Okay, that first one right there, right about 28,000 bucks. It's having a hard time getting through there right now. All right, on the weekly, it needs some volume coming in here. The daily's still heading up. All right, you can see how it came up and hit that 28,000, and so far getting rejected here. Probably get maybe a 618 pullback here. All right, we're at about a 50% now, so probably come down and maybe retest this line here and get a bounce up off there. Obviously, we need Bitcoin to do something, right? The Dixie not doing a whole lot, rolling over a little bit actually. I took a look at that. You can see it here on the daily. Right up here, it did not come back and retest this high over here. Yeah, it just fell short. So got another lower high. We had a higher high. Well, it was a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So obviously right now this thing is in a downtrend. All right, and something I wanted to show you guys down here, the total market cap. Take a look at this. It is fighting to get back in here. Let's go out in weekly so I can show it better. Open this chart up. Always talk about these trend lines. And you can see it came up and hit this trend line. It's trying to bust back in there. That's what we want to see. You want to see this thing get back in trend. Okay, got that high, that low. Let's get that off there. Jeez, oh man. All right, then we had this high here, higher low. Then we just barely had a lower high, but we still have this higher low in here. All right, so want to see, we need this total market cap to do something here. It'd be nice to see it get back up in this triangle and break out the top. That would be the ideal situation. Don't know if it's going to do that or not. We'll see. The total 2 holding that line. This line right here, this on the weekly here. You can see it came up. This is a very crucial line for that thing to hold that 496 billion. Right now it's at 535. The weekly RSI still coming down on it. Thank God it hasn't drug it real low yet. You can see it's just holding on. Down here we got this RSI spinning up. So this is the market cap without Bitcoin. On the daily, still heading up. Okay, you can see, boy, this thing is just up and down, pretty much in a zone here, almost like a consolidating through here. But want to see it hold above this red line. That's pretty massive. Back here with Kaspa, oh, we got some news too. I want to show you guys about. We'll do that right now. This is over on their Twitter. They put this out 3 hours ago. Start building now. Discover how you can obtain instant access to a Kaspa node and continue building the future of finance. Get your API key and develop on Kaspa with @now nodes. Read, you go over there and get a node, a Kaspa node, and run it. Just click on here. Let's go over there real fast. I didn't check it out before the video, but get access to get a free API key and develop on blockchains with now nodes. 83 nodes available now. 99% API uptime. Transactions per second. We look at that up to, I think that's at 18. Or what is that? That's no. It's way higher than that. This chart goes, wow. Host response time, 83 available nodes now. Kaspa right over here, 24 hours down 5%, gives the price, market cap. Let's see here, connect the Kaspa with now nodes. They have a price on here or anything? Start up or boost your crypto product, become a part of the global community with now nodes, or find your crypto to connect. Trusted by Change Now, iBricks to crypto. How to run an optimism node. Let's check this out real quick. Partner, your email, get your free API key. I don't know if it had a price on here or not. Nodes, let's see. I looked into a node one time for another crypto before. I wish I would have jumped on it. I really do. Full nodes, nodes tokens. ETH, BNB, XRP, Solana, Doge, Near. Wow. Where is Kaspa at here? Let's see. Wait, I got a bunch of them, don't they? Documents, details. Where are we at here? Right, there we go, Kaspa, details. It just goes back to the same thing. There's pricing. Okay. Start free, request 1 month only, 1 API key, get started. Plans, start free, pro, 1 million requests a month. This is 100,000 requests a month. Over limit price. Business, enterprise, custom. Details. Access to all nodes. 5 nodes of your choice. With the start one, that says free. Support response time 24 hours. Of course, yeah. And then you come over here and you start getting WebSocket connection account. This is pretty cool. Yeah, if you want to go check it out, go right over here to Kaspa's Twitter page, and then click on Start Building Now. Now nodes. Pretty cool. Already got 631 hearts. This just came out 3 hours ago. So, like I said, they have what was it, 83 available yet. So yeah, if you want to go check it out, guys. All right, let's go over this this chart here real quick. And one thing I did want to show you guys before I do, if you do get to level 3 right now, these are the videos right now I have in there. Okay, right down here, learn how to short sell. That's with leverage. All right, so if you're familiar with leverage, this shows you how to get in a short. It's a 35-minute long. Bullish and bearish chart patterns. This goes over like fallen wedges, everything. You know, rising wedges, all kind of. It has a chart there you can click on and save. Bullish and bearish divergence. This is for better entries. Do not buy big green candles. This one here is on how to use TradingView. That's a half hour long. How to use Fibonacci retracements. That's a half hour. This one's on drawing trend lines and learning to trade with the stochastic. You know, you can actually just trade with that thing. You know, and a lot of these are for trading. A lot of these are for just getting better prices in the market. And yeah, so if you're interested, there's 8 videos in there right now. Like I said, I'm going to run that for till the end of September, $14.99. I think that's a great deal. It took me a long time to learn what I have learned, and I'm no professional at all. I don't claim that, and it's not financial advice. It's you know, just educational videos. All right, so let's take a look at this Kaspa here. All right, first off, like we said yesterday, we've had our 5 waves down here. We're looking for 5 to come in here. If we go into 12 hour, all right, the more you go down here, the better you can break this down. All right, you can see on the 4, you can see a lot of waves through here. All right, now technically I could count 5 in here right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, but I take it these are going to be a bigger waves. You know, with the target I have here, we have roughly You know, they're 16-17% down here. All right, now if we let's take a look at this thing. All right, I've been looking and looking and looking at this and trying to get the best perfect measurement I can. All right. Whoops. What am I doing here? There we go. Hope everybody's having a great day out there. Kind of rainy where I'm at here. Kind of miserable today. There we go. Boom. So, you know, I put this target a little bit lower, just in case, but 0.0285, somewhere right around there, this bottom should come in. Now we have the 4 hour coming down on the RSI here. You can see the 4 hours rolling over. We have the 8 hour bearish 67 and 72. So the quicker we get down here, the better. The 12 hours still going up, 67 and 45. Let me get this bib up here so we can see the candles. But it has a red candle. And down here on this RSI, it is rolling over a little bit, right? I would love to see just a quick run down here, get this over with, and get moving. The daily is 578 and 577. All right, so just barely. Look how low this is getting down here too. So man, oh man, if we could just get a quick wick down there or something. That weekly at 39 to 55, it's trying to straighten out here. All right, so I would love to see just a quick. And this daily keeps bumping back and forth, 578, 577. You can see the hook on here. It wants to curve back down here. So at least that daily is at the bottom. So when we get this run down here, that 12 I expect to start rolling over. The 8's heading down. Look how low these RSIs are. That's what we want. We want these things down at the bottom like that. When we get, not promising anything. Please don't, count everything on this. Don't be. I wouldn't. It could take off from anywhere. Just what I am measuring out, I am showing you is what I'm expecting. All right, so it'd be a better entry if you're looking to get in at a lower price, obviously, and I'm gonna swipe up some more down here for sure. All right, if we get down there. All right, nothing's guaranteed, obviously. We'll just keep our eyes open here. There's a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boy, oh boy, it just makes me wonder too, because when I count these waves in here and see these waves, but what it's telling me, and if you go back, these are Elliott waves in here, and I went over the bone one yesterday. There's the ABC flat. I went over these yesterday, that the A wave and the C wave tend to be the equal length. Was right. Wave 4 can overlap. Blah blah blah. Corrections are always fully retraced. Where the heck? Yeah, but I showed it in yesterday's video. I'm not sure where it's at. I looked it up in here to. There we go. Waves A and C tend towards equality in length, and every time I measure out an ABC, you have your run up. You have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have your A, B, C in here. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you continue up. And that's basically that's what we're doing right here. All right. So these waves, it's going to be interesting to see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe this is if you get in here and start counting to. Maybe this is the 3, 4. That's our 5th wave down there. I'm curious to see how this plays out here, because if you go 2, 3, 4, there's 5 right there, But the measurement is the measurement, all right? So I'm just going with what I know with Elliott waves and ABC corrections, and this has never really let me down, all right? Going with the measurement on this thing. It says what it says, there it is. So, all right, guys, thank you so very much. Hopefully tomorrow, this thing will be almost over with and down there. Okay, we took a time measurement there on this thing before. What the heck was it? Let's if you're still here, we're gonna look at it. date range. This one here down to the B took what, 14 days. Okay, and right now we are, there we go, from here to where we're at now has been 9 days. All right, so it should be getting down there for sure. All right, this obviously we showed the last time. This ABC over here took a lot longer to accomplish. This thing was miserable. You know, the whole thing took to the bottom 51 days. You know, almost 2 months. That was just a miserable run. I remember just getting in here. Somebody asked me to take a look at this coin, so I jumped in, and I remember this big ABC, and this was just miserable. You know, it was nice once we started up here. That was a beautiful run. You know, once we hit bottom there to the top, that was 62 days, 2 months of pretty much nothing but up. You know, so this correction should be over soon. All right, guys, thank you so very, very much. I just wanted to get that out there and show you guys about the nodes. If you're interested, please go check it out. 83 still available. So I'm going to get this video out and let you guys know. Have a great night, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.